Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy spring flowers. They look like hyacinths to me. So let's get started. To make these paper flowers, I'm going to fold a sheet of paper in half and cut along the fold. Now I have two. I'm going to fold this in half, like that. And now I'm just going to cut, but don't cut all the way. Just leave this section not cut. See, like that. Open it up, flip it over, apply some glue, fold it over, like that. I have a straw. Tape the straw on the end like that, and then just start winding it around. And tape the end. And there you have some beautiful hyacinth flowers for spring. There you go. There's some easy flowers that you can make. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.